Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today is not a vlog. Instead, I'm going to show you how I pack our bag for our trip. We're going on a trip for 10 days, I believe, from Saturday night until the following Sunday. I'm on my hair, by the way. I'm going to straighten it later, so it's crazy right now. Let me show you guys what we're working with here. So that's the backpack, and then we got our shoes here. Swimming, we got swimming suits, Derek's shorts, our underwear, socks, my actual travel backpack that I use because I don't bring a purse, our toiletry bag, Derek's shirts and sweaters, my sweaters, my pajama shirt. My Victoria's Secret package came in today, which has a bunch of shirts, and then I'm going to be bringing this blanket here. There's my Zuri baby. Zuri. That's my Zuri baby. Yeah, that's my Zuri. And then I have a bunch of shorts here, and then some pants there. It looks like a lot. It is. They're all just piled up. But the thing is, I just grab as much of things that I usually wear in a week. As I fold everything, that's when I decide if I'm actually taking it, if I'm not. And yeah, let's get on into this video. Okay, guys. This is the bag we're using. It's an Oakley bag. I think it's called the Big Kitchen Sink. I bought it for Derek a couple years ago. I also have one. I have the sides down. I don't like it as much. It doesn't have as many pockets. But we're really good at using one bag for us. And then we have Derek's camera bag, my travel backpack, and then we have like a little packing cube thing that we use for the dogs. So I'm not going to worry about the bag at this moment. I am going to start folding things up, deciding what I am taking, what I'm not. I will show you kind of the order I do it in because I pack as I go. But basically you want to make sure everything is closed up. Whew. Button zipped, everything's up. These are Derek's pants that he wants to bring. It's his favorite. So I just fold it over here. Fold down, tucked up. That's that. It's nice, little, compact. As flat as possible. And they're going to be the first thing that goes in the bag. Actually, let me show you. So we have Derek and I are both bringing our dudes. I just got these ones or they won't count. Love them. And then Derek's bringing this pair, or he has a dark pair that he has two that he just got. He might be bringing those ones. I don't actually know. But we're gonna both be wearing our dudes, so I don't have to pack those. And then what I am packing though is our slides because we're going to the lake. But the trick for our bag, you have to pack these first in this little shoe compartment down here. So I just put them together like so, and then you just put it inside. And then once we're actually on our trip, this pocket becomes our dirty laundry pocket because it just feeds back into the bag. So the space, you don't run out of space because you already had that space counted for with the clothes that you're bringing. So yeah, so I have those in there first. And then I am going to lay our pants at the bottom, like the very bottom, and those just, these set the foundation, open up the bag. My hairbrush, and then I'll get Derek's, I'm just bringing my conditioner because that's all I ever use. And then I'll add Derek's shampoo in here, or not shampoo. I will add Derek's hairspray in here tomorrow after he gets ready. And then all we have to add tomorrow is our toothbrushes, my blanket and pillow, of course. And then our, what's it called? Chargers. And that's it. That's all we'll have to add tomorrow to the bag. And we'll be done, so this bag can actually get packed up today. So the next thing that I pack are, I keep with the theme. So I'm going to do the bottom. So I'm going to pack up Derek's, or I'm going to fold these up and see what I have here. If going to take these. This is how it's folded up, just this little pile. I push it down and I put it in this way in the bag, so it's accordion style, so he can go through and pick what he wants. He doesn't have to take every little thing out of here. See if I can show you guys. So see, this is his shorts, and they just took up half. So then I'm going to get this other half here. I bring a lot more shorts than Derek, and that's because I wear mine to sleep in as well. I wear them when we go swimming, so I have to be able to change them out quite often. So if you think you know just what I mean, that's where you're wrong. That's where you're wrong. If you think you know just what I mean, that's where you're wrong. And then the trick with my shorts here, I'll just show you with these pink ones that I just did. I fold them all in the opposite direction where the top is in the bottom. So I fold them that way because it takes up less space. If you do it all this way, one side is super bulky more than the other. But if you do it this way, it kind of evens them out, makes them lay a little better. So I'm going to fold up the shirts too since I'm sitting here. So this is just my sleep shirt. Now with the shirts, I do roll these because I don't want them to have wrinkles in them. I got 9 shirts, and they're all the one size tees because they're nice and big and they'll be comfy and breezy, because if we're going to be out in the heat all day, I don't want shirts that are too tight on the body. I want to breathe. I don't want to sweat that bad. And then I bought a pair of biker shorts, which I'm going to bring also. So that's what this whole bag is. They're literally just oversized t-shirts. Well, that's it. You can tie them up, or you can do whatever, wear it as a dress. They just came out with these oversized tees, and they look comfy, and it's what I wanted. So now I'm gonna move Derek's shorts over just a bit, and I'm going to add my shorts in the same way. I'm gonna just put them all in. So now I'm gonna take our shirts and just gonna put these in, or on top, and I'm gonna do mine first and then put Derek's on top of mine because he gets into the bag usually sooner than I do. Okay, and then last but not least is our toiletry bag. I'm just gonna add my makeup into here, and then we'll add our toothbrushes and face wash, all that in the morning. And then I have 2 hair ties or scrunchies in case this one goes bad, and I'm just shoving those in there as well. This thing doesn't need to be packed perfect because it always closes, it always fits everything. Like, so this is the last bag that we have, and what I do is just pull this out all the way. Maybe if I can get the string to go. There we go. So I'll just open this as wide as it can go, and then I just lay this in here on top, bottom down first, get it past that little opening, and then just push each corner in. But you have, the key is to get it past this little fold here, past this. So I gotta push it in just a little bit to do so. And that's that. And then you just close that bad boy up. And then I'll put my glasses and our chargers. If we want to, we'll put them in here because we have car chargers. Sunglasses will go in there. And then other than that, you just lock her down. Got that bad boy there. Got this one. This is my daily bag, like a purse. And then this is the big mama jam with everything stuffed inside. And then we still have this pocket here, and we have carabiners on the side if we want to add anything. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to binge watch all our other videos. Subscribe if you want to see more from us. And be looking forward to our travel vlogs. I will be putting those up soon. We're going to the Ozarks, so be ready for all those adventures. We'll be bringing these babies with us. They're going to enjoy the lake life as always. We'll see you guys in the next video.